Hey, where's my coffee at, dog? What you drinking?
Actually, I do have another one in the truck if you want
Espresso? Espresso, this guy over here. He said he don't drink coffee, but now he's drinking coffee.
Dude, this shit's good. 300 milligrams.
What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back at it with the 70 Project LS SWAT, boys. It is time to change the motor out. I should say get the motor out. I got everything undone underneath as far as I can think of. You guys already know we're gonna end up running into something that we forgot to disconnect or unplug, or a wire. Something just always hangs it up. But I got everything bolted up here for the actual hoist, guys. I don't know if you, sometimes you could just use a chain. If you guys just have a chain, whatever you guys may have. I have this guy here. I think I got it from Summit. I think it came from Summit, this little horse here. But I got it bolted up to the front of the block and then the back of the head, guys. So always, when you guys are doing these motor pulls, make sure you always go to those two spots. I wouldn't advise anything else, just so that way you guys are safe and don't worry about that thing coming off. But I think we got the tranny pretty much drained. We're probably gonna get some leakage either way. But okay, we gotta get this hood off. So that's always a pain in the butt. Make sure you got a homie to help you guys. So I'm gonna pull this hood off real quick. What I like to do is I like to unbolt it from the fender side, guys, because what it does, it actually keeps the hood aligned for the most part when you go to put it back. So you don't have to worry about trying to shim this hood left to right and get your gaps right. So we will leave the hinges on the hood and undo it from the fenders. So let's go ahead and do it. Ultramatic.
This car could be systematic, hydromatic.
Damn, Gina. Must be that time of the month for Gina, boy. Oh, Lord. Yeah, that tranny glove didn't help, boys. We got the motor, though. We got the motor on this pallet. We got to wrap this thing up. We got to properly secure it because this thing's got to get shipped off. But, guys, I think we're going to wrap up this video right here. Just because you guys can see we got a lot of cleaning up to do. We got to get all this oil picked up and everything else like that. But maybe on the next video, guys, we'll kind of go over what we got to do to clean up this engine bay, start pulling off the old AC, just a bunch of components too. I mean, that suspension is going to end up going as well, but I don't think we'll do that in the next video because we got to be able to roll this thing around still. But you guys can see motor is out. We got everything disconnected for the most part. Hey, Kale, what do they got to do though, bro?
Hit the subscribe button, hit the like for notifications.
You know what I'm saying? You guys gotta hit the subscribe button though if you guys want to see more content. Help us out with this building. Help us the channel grow, man. We got to get this channel up and running. But guys, you guys already know. Stay wrenching.